Ladies and gentlemen,
Welcome to Live on Cue, where we talk about people, places, events, and more. Know their stories and understand valuable insights from our selected guests. Listen and watch our live video podcast together with your QCast hosts. Live on Cue, only here on QCast. This weekend on Live on Cue, let's all meet Richard, Amy, and Walter of Philippine HR practitioners in Qatar. Learn about their programs and professional development plans for their members. Saturday, November 30, 4 p.m. at Maharlika Park Restaurant. Kita Kits QCasters, only here on QCast. Ang himig ng Pasko, naririnig saan man sa mundo. Himig ng Pasko sa Maharlika Park Restaurant. Abangan! Hey, we're coming to you live from Maharlika Park Restaurant. This is Live on Cue on a great Saturday afternoon. It's kind of dark outside. It's fine. 4:54 in the afternoon our time. It's such a great pleasure for me to be joined by one of the top, I would say, people in the industry of PHRPQ. Let me give way first to Mom Amy, Sir Walter, and Sir Richard and Sir Walter from PHRPQ. I'll give you the floor to introduce yourselves one by one. Go ahead, Ma'am Amy. And of course, your designation to the organization. Go ahead, please.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Amy Andrada, the president of Philippine HR practitioner in Qatar. It's called PHRPQ.
PQ. There you go. Sir Richard?
Yes, good evening po. My name is Richard. I am in charge of the membership committee of the org.
I see. And Sir Walter?
And I'm Walter, a member.
A member.
So hopefully I can share the experience for being a member.
Definitely, because
benefits.
95% of the organization
Yes.
comprises of the members. That's why
Exactly.
you're here for a reason. You're very valuable for this short talk this afternoon. And I'd like to thank you for once for being here. And on behalf of my co-hosts who are not here yet, they're on their way. Okay, we'll be joined by Miss Ting of Ting Talk Show and of course Miss Christine Chi from Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy. Maybe they have like questions as well. They may ask. By the way, Miss Chi is also part of PHRP as far as I know, right? Tama ba?
Yes.
Yeah. So I think some of the questions may be injected by her as we go on with the discussion. Anyway, tell me something about PHRPQ. When did this organization started, and then ilang taon na kayo in the rotation, in the operation? So whoever can answer.
Yeah, I think the conception of the organization nag-start siya talaga 2022.
2022.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So it's
Around
like 2
May.
years.
Yes.
Close to 2 years.
Officially, ano pa lang, 1 year. Kasi
And then-
ano ba tawag doon? General membership meeting
Mhm.
kami. First time is
I see.
May last year.
Oh, I see.
Yes. But prior to that, there are some talks already. We have organized and we
Mm-mm.
have consolidated the Filipino HR community here in Qatar. Then, yung mga founding members na nag-uusap-usap, planning, how we're going to launch the
He's
organization.
really the one. It's his
I
idea.
see. I
Yes.
see. You might be passing on the answer. I see. You're the guy for it. Okay, 2 years in the making. How can you somehow tell us about the success of the organization in the past 2 years?
Yeah, I mean, yung projection ko kasi ng timeline namin is yung status namin ngayon is
Mm-mm.
for 5 years, supposedly.
Mm-mm.
So parang napakabilis ng mga pangyayari.
Mm-mm.
So it started off with ano lang WhatsApp GC
Mm-mm.
and then add yung mga kasama nilang mga HR ganyan.
I
And
see.
then launching na and then may kumausap na sa PPOQ for collaboration with the embassy and then nag-launch na kami and then suddenly ano na dumami na kaagad gumawa parang I think it's just that wala lang nagtatap nung network but
Mhm.
it's there already. So I think dun sa part na yon is very advantageous for us to launch the organization.
Okay.
Yeah. And
2 years, right?
Yes.
And then what are the, I would say, what are the activities you've done so far in the past 2 years?
Well, for
Titigil lagi si
Yeah.
Mami.
for the past 2 years,
Mm-mm.
well, we really go step by step.
Okay.
So we, as what Richard said,
Mm-mm.
yung binuo talaga muna yung org.
Mhm.
So nung meron na kaming enough like members,
Mm-mm.
so since the mission of the
Mm-mm.
organization is more so to really help other
Mm-mm.
HR practitioners who are in Qatar
Mhm.
to be empowered by their profession. So we give trainings.
I see.
So a lot of trainings related to HR that have been already shared,
Mm-mm.
yeah,
I see.
given, and so that's how the organization lumago siya.
I see.
And I guess for a member, Walter could share
Okay.
how that it helps
Yes.
him.
Yeah, I became a member a year ago, year 2023.
Uh-huh.
So maybe I could share my experience.
Yeah, go ahead. By the way, thank you, Beth, for serving us coffee. You can go ahead. Sige, bigay mo sa amin. It's fine. You know what? This is the funny thing about podcasts. It's like a casual conversation.
Yes.
And anything goes, anything happens,
Of
okay?
course.
It's not too formal to begin
Yeah,
with.
yeah.
So I hope you don't mind if we have people coming in and passing by.
No, at all.
All right.
Okay, so let me answer it in not so formal way.
Mhm.
Kasi I've been here in Qatar for around, on January 22, 23, it will be my 22nd year here
Wow.
in Qatar. So as an OFW, syempre naghahanap ka ng circle of friends.
Yes.
Kasi trabaho, bahay lang tayo.
Okay.
So kung may circle of friends ka, at least may outlet ka.
I see.
But of course, iba syempre yung kakwentuhan mo na iisa kayo na pinag-uusapan at yung profession.
Yeah, that's so,
So
true.
that's what
You have a
you're
common
looking-
ground.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So what you are looking for is the same circle of friends.
Yes.
And then meron ngang iba manonood ng sine, sila
Mm.
kasama paglabas, yun din yung pagkakwentuhan nila.
Mm.
So, di ba?
I've known so many people.
Yes, exactly.
And they get tired of themselves eventually.
Okay. So, on HR side, what does it mean?
Mm-mm.
So, nabibigyan mo ng iba't ibang perspective yung kwento.
Mhm.
So, from HR on-site,
Mhm.
parang iba't ibang HR cases na nalalaman mo ng kwento.
Mm.
Tapos, iba't ibang perspective ang kanilang mga implementation sa mga solutions.
I see.
So, what does it mean? You widen your scope about
Yeah.
information and knowledge.
I see.
So, as an experience, okay, ganun pala. Second thing,
Mm-mm.
yung analogy, like this mirror.
Yeah.
See, you see your reflection, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So, two-way,
Mhm.
myself and the reflection. So, who is the other side?
Mhm.
Do you think it's a fake, or that's the HR group?
Oh,
So,
okay.
what does it mean when you're facing a mirror? What do you do? What is the purpose? So, you can see the difference.
Mhm.
Na may measure mo kung ano yung hindi maganda, ano yung pangit, ano dapat mong baguhin para maging maganda. So, you can see yourself. On nature aspect, the nature explanation, I can measure yung knowledge ko na alam ko na, kulang pa pala. Masyado na akong mataba. Bawasan ko. So, both side, what does it mean? Nare-refine yung mga skills and knowledge mo through the other side, which is the same as the HR community. And the same of this individual as a member of the HR community, they saw you. So, nagiging model ka rin nila. So, both side, nare-refine.
I see.
So, maybe, then later on, maybe I can share more.
Yeah, definitely. You will share a lot
Right,
about,
share the
especially for the members, diba?
Yeah.
Because I think it's one of the buy-ins why they should be joining the organization to begin with.
Exactly.
And as you've told me last time, what we talked about it, I forgot the numbers, but how many are you right now in the organization?
Last count,
Mhm.
Under 35? I think so, yeah.
Yeah,
Under 35.
yeah,
235.
last year, last month.
Last month, yeah. But we reached, I think, more than, less than 200
Mm.
last year.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So, kasi
I
may
see.
membership renewal eh.
Oh, okay. Okay, so for those who wanted to join PHRPQ, do you have any like prerequisite?
Yeah.
Okay, and what are those? Because most likely right now people might be watching, and then
Yes.
I'm definitely sure that in this nature of human resource industry, there's still a lot of Filipinos there, out there, out inside of Qatar, na gusto maging part, but they're not yet part officially of the
Yes.
organization. So what's your buy-in statement para sa kanila?
Well, una, they have to be,
Mhm.
kaya nga, we have called the organization as HR practitioner,
Mhm.
not HR professional.
Mhm.
Because you have at least you have
Mhm.
practiced. So we do not require like what's your background? Are you
Mhm.
really having a degree in HR or
Mhm.
something? It's not that, but as long as you are practicing in HR, that
Mhm.
could be
As long as you're
in
practicing,
admin,
I see.
you're in recruitment or
Mhm.
any core services of HR that
I
you are
see.
doing in an organization, you can, because we consider it as you are a practitioner.
I see.
Alright.
Okay.
So, but I think we have a plan. Richard, by the
Mhm.
way, he's the in charge of the membership.
Mhm.
So we already, together with the board, we already plan to
Mhm.
accept associates. So
Mhm.
meaning those out there
Mhm.
wanting to be an HR,
Mhm.
so they can be an associate member.
I
So they
see.
can also join us.
I see. Okay. All right. We'll take a quick break first, and then after the break, we'll have our co-host join us this afternoon. Pagpapahinga tayo, I'll just do some technical adjustments because right now I think our signal is dropping. So we'll take a quick break, and we'll get back together with Miss Amy, Sir Richard, and of course Sir Walter from PHRPQ. You guys stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
Oh, what's that? Sorry for some. Hey, we're back here in live on cue. We have to drop the first part because there's some sort of technical adjustments that we have to do. Okay, hope we're doing fine on your end, people. Again, this is live on cue together with PHRPQ people, Miss Amy, Sir Richard, and Sir Walter. And this time I have my co-host, Miss Ting of Ting Talk Show. Good afternoon to you. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. It's like a reset. Okay. And then, of course, as I was talking to Sir Walter, oops, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Okay. I was actually thinking, if I am part of the HR community here in Doha, Qatar, I'm already part of PHRPQ, what are the expectations that I must have upon joining your organization?
Well, it depends on your purpose and your objective as a
Can you
member.
come closer, sir? to the
Yeah,
mic?
as a
Okay.
member. So, at first, when I was thinking na, ano ba yung purpose ko? Paano, ba't sasali ako dito? Samantalang
Yes.
tahimik na buhay ko. Nasweldo ako.
Oo nga naman.
No, but having that experience of 22 years here in Doha, parang na-observe ko rin to sa mga member, pagka may mga bagong member, during the tambayan, parang sa experience nila, ang dami nilang gustong i-unload
Oh,
ng mga
okay.
experiences. At the same time, yun yung mga napupulot namin.
I see.
Secondly, this one that this my one of the priority. Na-realize ko na even though may edad ka na, you cannot stop learning.
Yeah.
So continuous learning, and this is what they saw from them. So they provide trainings. Take note, it's free for the speakers and everything. You have to pay something, but of course that is all for the venue,
Yeah.
refreshments.
Okay.
Because most of the members, especially those officers, they're really expressing only their passion. So I think they can share what I mean.
I see.
So they're giving time for other people, for the community, all their best.
I see. With the current processes that you have in place, ano pa sa tingin nyo yung pwede nyong i-augment or something that you can, groom a little bit para sa ating mga practitioners?
Well, sa ngayon, we're building our house rules.
Okay.
We're in each and every organization. Yun pinaka-importante kasi we started to accommodate new people coming from different industries, different experiences. So, para clear, may boundaries, may limits. So, kailangan natin ng house rules.
I
And we're in the making into that to give it to our members.
When you say about house rules, does it coincide with the expertise that you are practicing as an HR, or what do you mean by that? Kasi di ba parang merong mga segregation, di ba? And in terms of being an HR personnel, it doesn't just focus on recruitment. You could be like learning and development. Ano pa ba yung iba? General HR from end to end,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So what exactly would be the program?
House rules is simply yung mga do's and don'ts,
Do's and don'ts.
for as a member, for
Okay.
example, because you're going to carry the name of the
Of PHRPQ.
organization. So we don't want to. There are certain characteristics
I
that
see.
pwede mong gawin na in behalf of PHRPQ na hindi mo po pwedeng I am coming from PHRPQ, I'm gonna do these things
I
na
see.
it does not belong to sa
It doesn't display your core values as an
Yes,
organization.
yes,
It's
yes,
very
yes,
important.
exactly.
No? I see. May tanong ka ba, Miss Ting?
I know, I wasn't here during the first part. I don't know if you already asked this, but how would you say that, yung practice nyo as an HR professional here in the Middle East, like how is it different from kung nag-practice kayo sa Pilipinas? May mga issues ba that are like unique to
Yeah.
us here than in the Philippines? I'm just wondering.
Yes. In my experience, because I have half of my experience talaga is in the
Philippines.
I should say that our HR in the Philippines is much more advanced than that of Qatar. Because if you are only having an experience, I'm not, sorry ha, hindi ko naman yun inaano,
Yes,
but
no,
this is the reality.
yes.
Meron kasi tayong mga nag-HR, maybe they came from startup companies, for example. Okay, yung receptionist, utusan ng mga admin thing, and then later and on, na-promote sila as HR. So, ito yung target audience talaga namin that we would like to help, no? Na naging HR lang sila by accident or even siguro dahil nabigay sa kanila
Yes.
na award.
Yeah.
Pero hindi talaga yung profession
Yes.
nila.
Actually,
no? Yeah.
actually, madami
So,
pong ganyang cases
yeah.
dito.
Yeah. So that's why we are here. Yun
I
yung
see.
talagang advocacy namin.
That's good.
To help. To
Is this-
help. Kasi talagang ang daming kulang.
Tama.
Minsan, ang iniisip nila, HR is just recruitment. HR is just pag-photocopy, clerical. That's,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
right.
That's a reality.
Na hindi siya
Yeah.
core ng company.
Yeah.
Kaya siya tinatawag human resource. Kasi
Yeah.
yun ang pinaka-importante
Yes.
ng business.
I understand. Yeah.
To
I
add,
would totally
to add
agree.
with Miss Amy, as an experience, I can say kasi yung sa Pilipinas, medyo matindi competition ng skills and knowledge sa atin. Maraming matalino sa atin.
Yeah, yeah.
Ngayon, pagdating mo dito, ang laki ng opportunity mo to be somebody because you will be given a chance
Yeah.
to express what you know. In fact, I came here 2003. So I joined a company local in Philippines. May mga ilang pa rin skills na hindi ko binibitawan.
Ah, naka-reserve.
Oh,
no?
naka-reserve pa. Kasi you will find a right time.
Saving the best for last pala
saving
to
the
serve.
best.
Okay.
Na pag binitawan mo sa kanila, dito sa kultura natin dito sa Middle East, alam mong papatok, additional promotion. Yun yan. Yan.
Magandang paraan nga. Okay. Good thing you brought up about this accidental HR. Kasi madami akong kaibigan na parang na ganun yung naging path eh. They were once like document controllers and all of a
Yeah.
sudden, walang choice yung company.
Exactly.
Yes.
They have to downsize.
Correct.
Pretty much, finances might be the
Yes.
reason why. And they have to maximize the people inside the organization. Parang magkakaroon ka ng multiple tasks. But as Filipinos, it's something usual for us, di ba? Mga ang tawag sa atin mga slasher.
Trademark
Or
natin.
slasher.
yan.
Yeah.
It's a trademark.
Okay. There's a pros and cons. Una, mo-overload ka siguro. At the same moment, you will learn something new, di ba?
Yeah.
Ngayon po, siguro as an accidental HR, yung mga bagay, yung mga fundamentals, di ba? They don't have it.
Correct.
More likely, and that's where you come in.
Yes.
Para dun sa mga taong yun.
Yeah.
How's the feedback so far from those people who are trying to embrace this new learnings? Na parang, ay, ganito pala dapat. Akala ko, the usual things I've been doing for, siguro, mga ilang taon na nilang ginagawa, di ba? And then all of a sudden, there's just something new. You know what? If ever there's always a new thing to embrace on, there's always resistance. Correct?
True.
How do you
Yes.
how do you attack?
Ganito yon. We study kasi our members kung paano, asan sila, anong level. And it's so
Okay.
difficult to do that if one by one. So, now we have a group chat.
Okay.
And
You
in
have
the
a GC.
Yeah, and in the GC, they are free to ask all the things that they would like to learn.
Nice.
Okay. So from there, then we will derive something. Okay, this area kulang. Kulang sila. Maraming kulang ng ganito. So doon kami boil
Design.
down
I
to
see.
let's have a training for this. For example, the Qatar labor law.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, kanya-kanyang gawain, ganito, ganyan.
Kanya-kanyang style.
Interpretation.
Interpretation. So,
Exactly.
we come up to, kasi sagot din kami ng sagot. Kung sino naman yung mga experience talaga, we give our knowledge, no? And then we say like, it's not, hindi po pwede to na all the time na lang, we become a consultant.
Yeah.
No? So, ituro natin sa kanila. So, we came up for a
Nice.
training for the Qatar labor law.
That's such a good cause. You know, I have always this high admiration for people who is doing work for free. Mga pinagpala tayo ng Panginoon eh. I mean, it's very unusual for most people to be sharing their knowledge, especially in this industry we're in. You would know somehow in the future, this person might be my competition. He or she might be my competition in the long
Yeah.
run. Pero you still have this you still have this desire to teach them, diba?
Yes.
Even though it's kind of risky at the same time, helping one another
Yeah.
is I would say a big cause, especially for those longing to get new learnings and being an expert in their field sa isang bansang hindi tayo familiar. Diba? And I commend you for that.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan natin sila. How do you see the organization in the next 3 to 5 years? Thank you, candidate number 1.
Beauty pageant.
Beauty pageant. Yeah, it's a cliche question, but you know, you always have something in your head, diba? Like a vision for the organization. So you can't be stagnant. You should be like having new programs, platforms, and how you can improve it. Yeah.
Yeah, well, kasi gaya ng sabi ko kanina, di ba, parang 2 years in,
Yeah.
pero sa akin, sa projection ko, personally is tatakbuhin namin yun ng 5 years. So, nakuha namin ng 2 years.
Uh-huh.
And then, 2025, we're gearing up for something really big. So,
I see.
doon pa lang sa 2025, I think kung meron man kaming vision 3 to 5 years, maaabot na namin. I mean,
Wow.
hindi naman sa pagmamahal, but then again, we have a concrete plan. That's the, yun talaga yun. Kumbaga, nung mga nakaraan, gaya nga sabi ni Miss Amy, na parang bottom up yung aming approach, which is good naman kasi yun naman talaga yung dapat. But then again, since nakuha na namin yung audience, alam na namin yung kailangan, so we have nag-brainstorm na kami on how we're going to deliver
Okay.
those trainings in such a way na talagang progressive at the same time integrated sa kung ano man yung kinalalagyan ng members ngayon.
I see.
So 2025, yeah, it's really a good year for us.
So exciting,
One,
huh?
Yeah,
one thing to
exciting
add
year.
also is that maybe because actually ngayon nare-recognize na tayo, no? If you ask somebody in authority about issues about HR Filipino, they will point you go to PHRPQ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So
nice.
it's been na-recognize na. So hopefully pag kumbaga pag pinasok yung HR Filipino, nakaposition na yung mindset
Philippine
ng tao.
HR
Oh,
natin.
go to PHRPQ.
Well, also, at this early stage we in fact already started our succession planning.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Okay.
we already train people, I mean those from the members
Yes.
to come forward, not just us all the time in the
New leaders,
yes,
building new
we have to
leaders.
build.
Yes.
We're building new
Yeah.
leaders actually, and one of the good thing that's really happening for this 2024. We already produced certified HR practitioners, a total of 90.
Wow.
Yes, 90.
Nice.
And this certification actually is very expensive if you take it in Qatar.
I see.
But we're so fortunate enough that the organization is tied up with international
Certifying bodies.
certifying body,
I
yeah.
see. Okay,
That
nice.
is IFPM, that is International
Federation.
Federation.
Professional managers.
of Professional Managers
Oh,
based in UK.
nice,
Yeah.
nice. Is it something that they can use not just in Qatar?
Yes.
Yes.
If you have a CHRP or CHRM, if you're going to apply, say, jobs in Canada, New Zealand,
Zealand.
Australia, it's a globally recognized.
I see.
So they wouldn't look at your credentials academically, but if you have the certification, it's already enough for you to
Nice.
practice that profession in that country.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. So it's actually something that they have to
Yes.
get while they're here and part of
Yes.
the organization.
And can you just imagine, we started like in the middle of second quarter of the year 2024, and we had our last course for this year,
Mhm.
just last week, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And total of 9 days. So we're so proud of
It's
that.
really nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
19 the last 2 years. If
Yes.
my math is correct, you're producing. Oh my God, I'm not good at math.
Makasila.
One advantage dun sa course na yun as a member.
Mhm.
So, because not all of us are privileged to take master degree,
Yeah.
doctor degree.
Yes, yes.
But at least, it's not too late.
Yes.
They
Yeah.
offer this profession certification. I can still prove na I can be a professional, certified human resource professional.
See.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's one of the
I
benefits.
see.
He also
Yes.
took it.
Oh.
CHRM, CHRP, CHR. So,
I see. What's the level of this certification? CHR muna and then CHRP?
CHRP and then CHRM.
Oh, okay.
certified HR professional.
Professional.
And the CHRM is certified HR manager.
Manager.
Managers.
So when you go to Philippines, you
I
can use
see.
that. Maybe
Yeah.
you can apply for a managerial position.
I see.
Nice.
Okay.
So
Alright.
actually, our objective in this course, because it's when we were talking to the certifying body, we would want to prepare our OFW HRs that when they go back to Philippines, they will still be relevant in the country. So it's more so of
Formalizing.
yes.
See.
Formalizing.
But we have other nationalities.
Really? In your organization?
Yeah.
No,
This
no, not
information.
in the organization,
okay.
but asking
Mm-mm.
to join,
To join.
I see.
to
Avail.
Oh,
the
the
course.
trainings,
course.
Yeah,
the
the
courses.
training.
Okay.
Good.
Since you bring it up, I'm just wondering, in the future, would you open it to other nationals as well?
That's where this
Hindi na siya magiging PHRPQ, no? International HR na. No. I think it's a possibility. You know
Yes.
what? Because in the field of HR, I would say no. We are the best. The Filipinos deliver the best in terms of HR and human recruitment.
Yeah.
Not to be biased as a Filipino, but I've encountered them all. Nakita ko naman lahat how they handle situations and so on. So, I'm pretty sure right now may nagpaparamdam na sa inyo. Aside sa multo, di ba? Tapos sa November 1.
Even outside Qatar, there are Filipino
Yeah.
members
Yeah.
trying to inquire from Oman.
Yeah.
And
We have
Saudi.
already member from Oman. We also have a member from
UAE.
UAE.
I
So
see.
those things, we're trying to study kung paano nga kasi
Yeah.
PHRPQ Qatar. So kung ito mother-based
Ano,
ano,
Middle East,
yeah.
ganyan.
You need to have like a Middle East
So we're
region.
growing fast. So yun yung
see.
challenges na hinaharap namin.
you
Kaya
know?
not
Really good
exactly to
problems.
answer specific questions.
see.
Kasi
Okay.
andun pa kami sa growing.
Okay. Alright.
Correct.
Kumbaga, testing the
Oo,
waters.
testing,
Yes.
baka mamaya
Pero,
kasi.
it's not far-fetched, I would say, diba? Parang maybe in the future, I would see you guys having this big general assembly together with everybody else from
Well,
the
that's
Middle
actually
Ang saya siguro
actually-
nun, no?
That's actually.
Nice.
We already think of having a convention.
Mm.
Wow.
Yes.
Well, it's things like that. But
Okay,
well,
okay.
we will get there.
Na-excite masyado yung mga HR practitioners ng Qatar, yung mga nanonood.
I hope so.
This is a very big opportunity because at least malaman nila, oh,
Yeah.
meron pala. And then, hopefully, we can mention also, no, dun sa future plan ng PHRPQ, they have this individual development program as
I
mentioned, Miss
see.
Amy. Example, yung to be specific, yung mga associate positions.
Mhm.
So, meron kaming dinesign. We have one of a member already specialist in training. So, may design na kung ite-take mo tong course na to, at the end, you will become HR generalist.
Oh,
So, if you're
okay.
this one, you will become a recruitment specialist. So, meron kang
Learning and
tatarget-
development.
Yes.
Ito na yung categorization.
Exactly.
Okay, I see. Okay,
So,
depends on
hopefully
their
yung
interest.
plan.
I see. Right, okay. Kasi I think most of the people who's practicing HR is not even aware of that. Diba?
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So maganda talaga. Alam niyo maganda tong ginagawa niyo eh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maganda to. Miss Ting, question.
So, sabi niyo po yung kanina na isa sa mga challenges niyo, no, na other people from other countries want to join. What are
Good
your
problems.
Yeah, good problems.
Good problems.
So, do you have any other good problems? And how do you, like, solve them? Meron pa ba kayong ibang challenges like sa inyo dito?
Parang
For
wala
your-
namang challenge sa
Parang walang
age.
challenge.
Yeah, yun nga, yung establishing, medyo...
We always have challenges
Yeah.
kasi
Una dyan, financial. Diba?
Yeah, sasabihin ko nga sana yung sustainability.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi you have a lot of projects.
Correct.
So,
for now, how we go about it is we have plan of registering the organization so that we can be sustainable in terms of cash flow.
Okay.
yes.
But for now, how we sustain, and we have a lot of trainings being given. Of course, the member they have to pay for the training.
Yes.
Okay.
The only advantage for this organization is because our resource speakers are for free.
Yes.
It's the members,
Yeah.
and most of the resource speakers are the experts in the field. So unlike some other organizations, maybe they have to take it, they have to outsource, and they have
Yeah.
to pay. That becomes really a lot of money to, like
Yeah.
But for us, they just pay how much the hotel will
Will cost.
and then some refreshment.
Okay.
That's it.
This certifications, is it being done here in Doha or
It's online.
it's online?
Wow.
Yes.
May, tawag dito, instructor-led ba siya or by yourself?
No. It's CHRP.
Does HRP?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's instructor-led. I see. Okay. So, di ka pwede mag-cheat.
Ay, hindi.
Bawal matulog. Bawal matulog.
Yes.
Tsaka you have to
That's why-
maintain,
And there's a test, completion
yeah.
test.
Yeah.
and you have to
I see.
maintain an hour CPT.
Yeah.
To,
Once
to
you get
avail.
the certification, you will only be certified after a year if you complete 30 hours in a year.
Oh,
of
that's
CPT.
good. And then that's what you provide, right?
Yes.
Yung
Yes.
nakakatuwa naman kasi at least you provide it. So, ma-encourage
Andun
pa
yung
rin
support
sila.
namin
Yes.
to continue.
That's
Okay.
true. So, ito rin po ba, ginagawa rin po ba sa Philippines?
Most likely hindi.
Kasi hindi, I'm just wondering because I'm also, sa profession din namin, we meron din kaming mga CPD, ganyan. So, is it the same?
You mean
or
which?
sa pag kunyari HR ka rin sa Philippines, do they have the same like certification? And do they
Yeah,
have-
Yes,
Ah, they-
because
they
some
are
are
more.
sponsored by
Ah,
their company.
Okay. So,
They are
dito talaga
progressive.
parang kayo pala yung pioneers.
Yeah.
So,
There, in the
that's good.
Philippines, you can ask for. They have a lot.
Yeah,
more
they
than
have a
what
lot.
we have here.
I
Yeah.
see. Nakakatuwa, no? Okay. Another question for you guys. How often do you change leadership in the organization? Since you said it's been running for 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. Who's been the current president? Si Ma'am Amy, di ba? But prior to that, who?
So
Sino ba?
actually, when we started it from his GC, and then,
From the GC lang.
yeah, and then
Okay.
3 of us were meeting and then talking and all that. So we cannot. I said we cannot be an organization without an officer.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what we did, mini mo. That's how we started. Actually. Yeah.
Appointed pala.
Yes,
I
it was
see.
appointed.
Okay.
And then of course, the commitment is not there because kami yung mga founding members, kami yung talagang sasalo.
Mm-mm.
Nawala na lang bigla, si ganito, si ganyan.
I
So
see.
you have to fill in.
Yeah.
Until we waited for a year, that was May 2023.
Three.
Na yun na, okay. So intayin na lang natin na aabot tayo ng 1 year because by that time we already get to know the people.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi pa namin kilala eh. Wala
Yeah,
talaga.
yeah.
Ito ang kagandahan. We come up into this organization. We don't know each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He don't
Yeah.
know me, I don't know. We sat down, we talked, we shared experiences, and then okay.
That's the
let's
beauty of it.
Yeah,
Diba?
exactly.
And I can say that they were formed not because of ambition. It's all
Yeah.
about passion.
Passion.
To help, to share.
Okay.
So yun yung nangyari.
Yes.
Maganda
So
yun.
we had the election. It's us who are the current officers now are the first elected
Nice.
officers.
Yeah. Congratulations to
Yes.
you.
Thank you.
Okay. Maganda yan para at least we still practice democracy, di ba?
Yeah.
Of course.
1-year term.
Yeah.
1-year term.
Would you like to have the presidency again next time?
Founder eh.
Yan, lagi ko ginajoke sa kanila. Ako sabi, ba't hindi ko yung presidente? So,
Oo.
ako na yung founder.
You can brag about it all day naman eh.
Ano lang, subtle lang.
Subtle bragging.
No, actually,
Okay.
to be honest, from among the members, the officers now, wala yun sa amin eh. Walang presidente ka,
Yeah.
ano ka.
Actually, I observed the same thing.
It's more of what we can help.
Yeah.
Yun, lagi kong nire-remind sa kanila na kasi lahat naman kami ay nagtatrabaho.
Yeah.
So minsan mayroon talagang hindi mo kakayanin yung dahil load mo sa work.
I see.
So may sasalo. Hindi ko naman yan trabaho eh.
And you have this Wednesday get together,
Yes.
right?
We have this tambayan.
Tambayan.
It's
So
a
you
forum,
I
informal
see.
forum.
So you just
can
catch
share.
up, touch
Yeah.
base,
Yes.
and
Consult.
consultation. Ayan. It's more personal approach kasi kesa ka sa WhatsApp. WhatsApp.
That's
Sorry.
actually the time for mentoring.
I see.
Mentoring for their professional career, mentoring also, kasi mayroon din silang mga pinagdadaanan ng personal.
Pautang mo na maing.
Ay, wala na yun.
Ayun, mahirap yun.
Nangyayari yun.
Meron din naman.
Baka mamaya,
Ganun.
may 5-6 na pala si ma'am. Hindi. Huwag kayo maniniwala. Naku, napaka-gullible ng mga nanonood sa atin.
Wala.
Okay. Anyway, masaya yun. At least you have a chance to connect with the people under the organization on a personal level. Diba? Kasi it's one thing that makes everything solid. Kapag kasi puro lang kayo WhatsApp and then you just,
No face.
no
Yeah.
faces, walang I believe it will not last that long. Kasi yung connection natin,
Yeah.
especially us in our culture, we need to have the presence, di ba?
Yes.
Napaka-importante yun. sa
And the
atin
food.
And the food.
Yes.
At para sa mas na pagkain, dito kayo sa Maharlika Park Restaurant. Di ba?
Lagi ko sila nakikita dito.
Yeah.
Fairness.
Actually, I was here last
So
time.
much.
I did a Q camp with the team. Asked them about what were the reason why they joined the organization.
Is also one of our endeavor na we also want to help the Filipino businesses.
Businesses.
like
Yeah, thank you so
restaurants.
Yeah, oh, so
we
nice.
not only for Maharlika but
Everybody
so
else.
they becomes our partners. We think,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
we
that's
will
nice.
have our Wednesday meeting ngayon dyan sa inyo. So,
Yeah.
those Filipino businesses, they also give us, here, we have a discount
Yeah.
in Maharlika.
Dahil dyan, may tanong ako.
Go ahead. Pagkain ba yan?
Hindi sa pagkain. No, kasi you also want to help like Filipino businesses, right? So, ako, personally, like, I think, syempre, we do not have our wala kami syempre personal na HR dito sa mga tao namin. So, if ever do we get to consult you with our, like, syempre, HR
Yeah.
processes. Yeah.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi, like, if like, we are just a small business, so wala naman kaming HR, diba?
Oo.
But we still have to manage, like, if we have people, we have personnel, and none of us are from HR, like,
Yes.
diba?
We would be very
Yeah.
happy to help.
Especially the
So,
technicalities,
yeah,
no?
yes.
Yes.
Oo, kasi,
Like growing. So,
Yeah.
maybe later on in future, a
Yeah.
big company
Yeah,
na kayo,
yeah.
kailangan yung
Magbilang angel kayo, sir.
ng tao. So, in terms of
Yeah.
visa, what
Yes,
current practices
yes.
about labor,
Correct.
labor law, and visa
True.
processing, updated. They have the latest official process.
Especially
That's
sa
one
bansang
good
to.
yeah, dito laging nagbabago. Bukas
Sa bansang
bago
to,
na
mahirap
naman.
magkamali.
True.
May
Totoo
hirap.
yun.
True.
Hindi
Diba?
puro yun.
Is it also a big of a challenge for you guys practicing what you understand at the same time if you are, especially for those who are part of smaller businesses, di ba? and then may HR sila, and then all of a sudden the bosses may not, the owners may not know exactly the process of how HR works. Siyempre may mga conflict na yan in terms of how they deal or decide on things. Do you get any kind of complaints from these kinds of situations from your members?
Marami.
Marami. And then what's okay? I think most likely it's a common thing. But how do you approach those kinds of situations?
This is really where the organization came in with regards to mentoring.
Yeah.
How you're going to teach them, how they're going to tackle.
Mm-mm.
Because if you are a person who has the capacity on how you're going to deal with, because you have enough
Yeah.
knowledge,
Yeah.
then it's not difficult for you.
I see.
But if you do not have enough knowledge about things,
Yeah.
so dyan tayo magkakaproblema. So kaya kami talaga, we constantly give the training
Trainings.
para sa kanila. Para pag kami mga situational, so give situational. In fact, the GC has helped a lot kasi a lot of people, oh may ganito ako, kakapasok lang, kaso lang iti-terminate na ni boss, ayaw na yung pagmumukha. And,
Yung mga best practices.
Best
Oo, yung best practice.
how
It
you're
may be
going
funny,
to
but it's
address-
true.
Yes.
I heard a lot of stories about that.
Yes.
Okay.
So how are you going to
Handle that.
handle that situation? Because in the first place, you cannot also impose things to the company because you have to weigh things. Eh.
Yeah.
Ang HR para yung bibingka, apoy sa baba, apoy sa taas. Para maganda ang pagkaluto, dapat
Pantay.
so hindi ka lang pro-employee,
Pro-employee.
hindi ka rin pro-company.
Balance.
Balance mo talaga yun.
Diyan magaling ang
Mahirap
Pilipino.
Yeah.
Pagka Pilipino HR mo, talagang
Paglalaban ka.
versatile, comprehensive knowledge,
Galing.
maabilidad.
Yeah. I would say na, tawag dito, we play by the rules.
Yes.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi mahirap. Kasi kahit tayo, takot tayo magkamali. Aminin natin yan. Especially sa bansang to. Okay, another question is, say for example, isa akong HR practitioner, lumapit ako sa inyo. Ma'am, mag-join po ako sa organization nyo. Eh, ganito lang po yung alam ko. Ano po ang una kong gagawin? Ito lang po yung alam ko sa pagiging HR. Ano pong gagawin natin?
Membership.
Yeah. Nakikitambay po ako sa Tambayan Wednesday nyo. 'Di ba? How do you approach
As a
them?
member, no,
Mm-mm.
talagang hindi yan lalapit kung walang gusto.
In the-
Or walang naging ganyo. Okay.
Meron siyang kailangan malaman. So pag na-identify namin dyan, then we guide, we mentor. We have all the experienced officers. So they guide us.
Can you take us through the process? Say for example, I'm a newbie.
Okay.
Novice ako sa process talaga. Wala akong kaalam-alam. What's the first step?
Contact me.
Membership.
My phone number 66229495.
Member.
Yeah.
Hindi
And
namin
then,
sasagutin.
Pagka-contact, ano nang gagawin
Yes.
nila?
So, ang tawag doon, di naman komplikado yung proseso namin. So, mag-sign up lang sila ng registration form, which is send ko lang naman yung link.
Okay.
And then, after that, we have a minimum contribution for the organization.
I see.
And then, orientation for new
Orientation.
members. Yes.
Pero tinitingnan din niya yung background niya.
Oh,
Yes, of course.
okay.
That's part. Pag sa registration kasi, at least makikita ko na yung background doon. So kapag medyo tagilid, papasok na sa board. Na parang, oy, may gustong mag-join, pero ito yung sitwasyon. Ganyan.
I see. How do you, okay, we don't have to mention about anybody, but how do you mention if there's a complexity in the application? Like what kind of scenarios are we talking about?
Hindi siya HR.
Oh,
Practitioner.
okay.
Mostly ng mga nare-reject sa organization is hindi. So, although
Admin works lang ginagawa talaga.
not necessarily,
Ano?
nasa sales.
Oh,
Gusto.
okay.
May
Yun,
risk
so,
din di ba? Minsan merong nagjo-join na as sales real estate, but the purpose is different.
To know,
have
understand.
network,
Oh,
to access in the group.
okay.
Lalo na yung mga
I
real estate sa
see.
atin.
Would the approach be different if that person is interested to be an HR? Like
Yes, may mga
switching
ganun din.
careers, perhaps.
Yes. Ganun din yung yun yung mga kinoconsider namin.
I
So,
see.
sa amin ang tawag doon, gusto ko mag-transition from
Mm-hmm.
this,
Alright.
from marketing to HR. Kasi HR naman ako sa Pilipinas. Pagdating ko dito, nag-iba
Iba yung trabaho ko.
We
Yes,
have
gusto
one
ko bumalik,
member,
ganun.
nurse. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. Oh,
It's
lalo
a
sa
nurse.
mga
Oo.
Gusto niya na
Marami rin
mag-HR.
Oh, naging HR na siya ngayon.
Wow,
that's
talaga.
nice.
Sa
Okay.
Hamad.
It might be your calling. Nurse kasi siya eh. You know what, it's been a... Ay, go ahead.
Naiisip ko lang, sana mas maraming, I haven't seen Pinoy na HR sa Hamad. Or siguro nasa
Yeah, we
office
have.
lang
We
sila.
have
Nasa kabilang
Sa back
cubicle lang po.
office lang sila.
Sa laki pa
Kasi-
naman ng Hamad.
Kasi parang I would really love to, talk to, kasi minsan yung HR namin, lalo na ngayon, kasi
Via
na lang
phone
siya,
lang.
by phone na lang, hindi na sila nag-appointment like, face
We have
to
3
face.
members from Hamad.
Really,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Nice.
That's
Wow.
nice. Kasi, yun,
Ang
yun lang.
members,
Yun ang masasabi ko sa
marami na
HR.
kaming, di ba minsan na pag-usapan natin, lahat na yata ng conglomerate company dito sa Qatar, meron ng
Yeah, we have
member.
different
good.
Al-Mukhtar,
industry.
Padan, blah, blah, blah.
From public, private,
Yeah.
sama government.
Public
So,
meron din. So, isa na ako doon. Around 3-4 kami.
Okay. Okay. Kasi, may gusto ko sabihin.
Consultation.
Hindi. Yeah,
okay.
it's some sort of consultation. When I started with the current company I'm working with, but right now, I moved to a new role na kasi I'm now working for a government institution and then as a cloud consultant doon. But before that, I was part of a small group sa aming private semi-government company, which is yung nature niya, hindi ko sasabihin puro lang recruitment eh. It's like it's a mix of everything. But most of the time, kami din yung nagpapaprocess ng mga applications, interviews. Would you quantify it as a qualification for...
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So, pwede pala ako. Charot.
Nagpapa-member na po siya.
Hindi kasi ginagawa ko yun
Okay.
before. And I'm wondering, but during those times, I'm really thinking, parang HR na tong ginagawa ko eh. Although we have our official HR, but then it's like a subcategory. We manage the staff augmentation. We're deploying people sa mga government agencies. And we conduct interviews, we screen the CVs. So I'm actually practicing.
That is what we
Oh.
call practitioner.
Oh.
We just practice.
Yung-
so.
HR ako.
So we're going to when you're going to join us, you become professional.
Professional.
Oh.
Papasok.
So, pwede ko.
Oh.
Ataka muna. Gusto kong dagdagan yung tag ko. Kasi right now,
Ayan na.
Lalagyan natin ng mga strategic skills
I see.
para maging specialist.
I see.
Although routinary yung work na basic na pinag-umpisahan mo, pero as a professional, ituturo dapat ma-adapt mo yung mga strategic o technical ng
I
pagiging
see.
HR.
I see. Kasi pati onboarding ako gumagawa.
Oh,
Yeah.
specialization.
Yeah.
So,
That's HR.
Yeah.
merong mga talent acquisition specialist, talent management.
I
Okay.
see. Okay. Wow. Ngayon ko lang na-realize.
Nakakatuwa, ano.
Like, so I was too focused on project management because I handled projects before. And then, na-certify na rin ako as project manager by the PMI. So,
PMI.
gusto kong dagdagan yung title ko. Charot.
May clap din.
Si HRM naman.
Why not?
How I wish. Sige, pag-iisipan ko po. Mga mamaya na. Tapos yung show natin.
Contact mo daw.
Okay. Send ko na ba yung link?
Call.
Magkano pong magkano
So,
yung
Bacon.
fee if you
Fee.
can share it with everybody?
Which fee?
The fee.
Membership fee.
fee.
Membership. Ay, very cheap.
Pwede ba natin sabihin yun?
Magkano, sir?
Nababo na.
Before 100, di ba?
Oo.
100 na yan.
100 pa din. And you have like...
Ano, 150 binayaran ko eh.
But every time you go
Para
out...
clear na.
Every time you go
But
out, KKB
yung
yun.
yeah.
KKB. I
No,
see.
like for example, Port ng Bayan. Isa yun sa kino-consider namin eh. Kaya very accommodating tong group na to. Minsan, syempre, meron tayong member na hindi ganun ka-privilege ng sweldo,
Yeah,
pero
yeah.
gusto mag-join. Pag upo mo sa tambayan, may pagkain na dyan.
Hindi na masaya.
Oh, di na kailangan
Makikitambay
sabihin.
tayo.
Di na kailangan sabihin sino na libre. Basta meron
Yes.
dyan.
Wow.
Share na yun.
I like your idea
Even for
of
the
bonding together.
even for the members, new members who would like to join, and then wala mo na silang pangbayad, no? Pautang muna.
Yan naman si
I mean,
Ma'am
like-
Amy.
Pautang in the sense like later na muna kayo munang magbayad, di ba, sir?
Okay.
Yeah. O kaya siguro pwedeng
Sana naman.
mag-sponsor si Ma'am Amy, tas mamaya si Sir Walter
Ay,
naman.
we do that.
Yeah.
We sponsored also.
That's
good.
really a noble cause, I would
Nakakatuwa.
say. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Okay, we'll take a last break, and once we come back, we'll do some shoutouts. Yung mga gusto yung shoutout na tao right here on Live on Q. You guys stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
Hey, we're back on Live on Q. 6 o'clock in the evening is our time. Wow, if you're enjoying, time flies so fast, as they
Yeah.
say. It's too cliche, but it's true. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Amy, Sir Richard, and Sir Walter. I'm pretty sure you want to shout out some people who have watched our live podcast today. Anybody you want to say hi and hello, perhaps?
Of course, the HR practitioners.
Hello.
Officers and members. Hi, hello.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa panonood, sir.
Aside from that, wala ba? Shout out din sa mga sa mga badminton enthusiasts.
Oh, you play
Wow.
talaga?
Anong
Eh,
group nyo, sir?
ah?
Anong group nyo po, sir?
Mainly TRB and paiba-iba rin pero ayun, may mga ibang exclusives.
Wow.
Shout out.
Magkano yung ano nyo? Pagmahal, alam ko ng expertise level nito.
Correct.
Naghanap po kami ng mura.
Dito, di ba? May ano.
Dito,
bumibili
somewhere
po ba
here.
kayo
Ay,
dito sa
sukoy kami dyan.
Yeah. Okay. Kayo po, Sir Walter.
Shoutout lang sa mga members, CPD committee. Pinapalap na ni Miss Ami.
Hi,
Alright.
CPD. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong tatlo. And then, before we close the show this afternoon, by the way, we'd like to thank the people who joined us last night at the Pulse Dua for the Tabang Bicol Music for a Change
Music for
event.
a Change.
Sorry. Medyo ano pa ako, bangag pa ako. Special thanks to Kuya Miller, PSPM,
Yes,
Kuya
Kuya
Gio,
Miller.
Boss Gio Pares. Happy birthday
Kuya
pala.
Gio.
Happy birthday kay Kuya Jovan.
Yes.
And then,
That was November 17.
yes.
if I'm not mistaken.
Friends from FAMS, Ma'am Jeanette, si Ray, Kuya Joseph, Pais Qatar, President Dave Sanchez, and Engineer Alcantara Dani, Pinoy Enduro Duners Qatar, Sir Gary, Mike Saratan, Alvin Pulido, Pigpa, Sir Dave, mga kapatid sa Mason, Sir Cyrus. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Really appreciate it. And then with your donation, it will go a long way, di ba? Small steps, but it will go a long way. To Mega World, Apo Qatar, Ma'am Dawn and friend.
And
Pangalan
friend.
niya. To MMG Qatar, Robert Lipon,
Yes, Robert Lipon.
June Villena, Sir Romel Wenda, UAP Qatar, Topi, FTF, Buji Club, mga kuya at ate ng Eagles. Ayan.
Qatar Black Gold sa Patila Eagles Club.
Yes.
Mga
And
kuya
then,
ate.
mga kuya and ate, they came actually in their Filipinianas.
Hindi, actually, it was fans who came in their Filipinas.
Oh, okay, okay.
They were the sponsors of our,
of your
our
event.
ceremony.
Nakakatuwa lang kasi nasa...
Oo, kasi ako nakapagpalit na pagdating ko sa sino may seremonya kayo?
Oo nga eh.
Pero nakakatuwa yung suporta ng fans.
Yeah, that's
We're so
true.
happy.
To our fellow Bicolanos, Rina, Miss Kim, Mika, to Blank Boulevard, you did great last night, yung band natin. And to
Grabe.
Kristen Chi,
Kristen
and
Chi.
talagang they rocked the house. To May, and likewise to all the social media people who helped us promote the event, shared it on their social media pages. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Ay, okay, tapos na ako.
Ako po,
Ikaw naman.
bati din ako. I don't know if you know Ate Richelle. She's
Yeah,
she's
Ma'am
supposed
Richelle.
to be here. Kasi
Yes.
Ate Richelle is also part of Our
Richelle.
Lady Eagles Club,
Ah,
Qatar
yes.
Back Gold, sa Patila Lady Eagles Group. So, yesterday we had our chartering and then today I think she has a family event. So, shout out po Ate Richelle, and I've seen also a couple of people who watched us now. Junjun
Yeah.
Molina, I don't know if he's HR now. So, he was watching.
Oh.
And also Frances from
Frances.
Filipino vloggers in Qatar. Doon kami magkasama. So I think Frances, she just transitioned to
I
HR as
see.
well. Yan yung mga hanash niya sa akin nun.
I
Hi,
see.
Frances. Ayun. So,
Hello.
ayun ulit, congratulations sa mga ate. Yesterday we
Yes.
were chartered.
Thank you so much for watching. To Ma'am Richel Arugay, magandang
Yes.
hapon po. Thank you.
Long
Sorry,
Rich.
I wasn't able to make it yesterday for the,
Yeah.
I'm injured.
No, pero RJ Francis was the one who made our yung logo for the
Ayusin mo.
souvenir. The logo.
And
Logo,
also
ah.
to Daily Moments. Ayan, sabi
Yeah.
niya, hello, Philippine HR practitioners Qatar. You know this? Daily Moments.
Hi, Daily Moment.
Yeah. Yan.
Good to
Si,
know.
si
Nice
Pau
to meet you
Paule,
po.
si Toretto Pabigliore. To
Ah,
Sky.
kuya din yan. Kuya.
Yeah.
Si Kuya
Si Mike.
Ginoo.
Yeah.
Kuya Ginoo, yes.
To Catherine Budada, Katya Sarusad,
Budada,
Ansi, Fatima Mercado de la Cruz, Sir Gerard Abuela, sorry. And
okay.
also
Sir
to Kabayan Meat Shop Qatar, also to Cristaline Lopez, and to Trixie. She's also watching.
Trixie.
One of our hosts for QCast. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And then anytime this December, we have another event at Maharlika Park
Yes.
Restaurant, which is the Himig ng Pasko
sa
sa Maharlika
Maharlika
Park
Park
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Stay tuned for it.
Yes.
It's gonna be something so exciting. Try to bring the Christmas spirit dito sa Doha. Okay? So, maraming salamat po once again, Ma'am Amy, Sir Richard, and Sir Walter. Anything you want to say to our audience before we finally close the show? Start.
Thank you for having us. So at least if there are HR practitioners who are in Qatar, who still do not know PHR, PQ, we are here. So we're waiting for you. Welcome and just message Richard.
Yeah.
Ilalagay natin yung number niya sa sa comment section.
Sabihin niyo po ulit yung number niyo.
Yes.
66229495. Pero sa public number naman, so okay lang.
Chat only, no call.
yes. Ayun.
Okay, anything you want to add?
Yeah. Thank you, RJ Francis, at saka Madam. Madam. Ayun, thank you. And ayun, sa lahat po ng mga HR practitioners out there, ng mga Pilipino na gusto mag-join sa amin, contact niyo po ako. Shout out sa HRP Batch 3 na
Wow.
graduate
Wow.
na this coming December 6.
Wow, congratulations.
Friday,
Congratulations.
along with CHRM Batch 2 naman. So kita-kita po tayo Friday saan na yun?
Holiday Villa.
Holiday Villa, Majestic Hall.
Wow.
Shoutout ko na rin yung dalawang kaibigan ko, si Kera at si Arlie, na magbo-birthday this December. Pauwi rin ng Pilas. So, kita-kits sa birthday party nyo.
Yeah.
I see.
Happy birthday.
Okay, anything else?
Thank you very much, QCast.
Oh, it's our
been
pleasure.
a pleasure. So thank you. And those HR, don't hesitate to approach us. Just call the number of Mr. Richard.
Yeah.
Then you are come anytime, anywhere in Wednesday, during Wednesday.
Nice.
Tambayan.
Wag lang weekend.
Oh.
Bother us the whole week, not
Yes.
weekends.
Yes.
Diba? Okay. Anyway, for other organizations who wanted to promote any kind of event, please do approach us. Our platform is open for you guys. Okay, this is for all the Filipinos. Hindi lang to para sa organization, artists, anybody who's making some changes in the industry, please let us know. Okay, we'll be here to help you promote whatever your endeavor is. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. It's been a great afternoon, and I hope to see you guys again. Maybe sometime in the future. You'll never know. The big General Assembly is happening anytime soon for the Middle East. Sabi ko nga, it's not far-fetched. It could happen, and I hope for the continuous growth of your organization, and please continue to help our fellow Filipinos who is really in big help of your assistance, because it's not really every day that they get to come across with generous people, individuals like you, who would most likely guide them on their career path. So maraming salamat po, and we appreciate your presence as well. In behalf of our QCast host, Ting, Christine Chi, and Trixie, thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for watching Live in Q. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
And that's on cue for today. See you again next time.